Long-term sustainable regional development, really when you're outside of the urban centres, is about getting people out of their cars, off the road and back into local communities. That's what we're trying to do here at Meath Enterprise.
My name is Gary O'Mara. I'm the CEO of Meath Enterprise. I'm also the chair and co-founder of Community Enterprise Association Ireland, which is the national enterprise hub network for Ireland. And I'm also managing director in Ireland for the Global Entrepreneurship Network. Meath Enterprise, we're not answerable to shareholders, we're answerable to our stakeholders. And our stakeholders are all the different members of our community that we're here to support and help. That's who we're answerable to. So we're a stakeholder driven, but commercially focused, not-for-profit company. If we can take an awful lot of the learning and access and knowledge of the larger SMEs and bottle that and share that with the smaller companies to allow them to scale and grow an awful lot faster and more efficiently, that's a really important part of what we're trying to achieve here.
I suppose at Meath Enterprise we're blessed with the amount of spaces and services that we actually have. So coming to the Food Lab, you're actually quite lucky in terms of the other types of facilities that you have in your reach. For example, we have the Media Lab. So within the Media Lab, coming from that food space myself, I instantly think of food photography. I think of, you might need to get a video shot, or maybe you might need to do some social media for your company, and we have a tailor-made bespoke service there already that's just begging out for you to use if you need it. Likewise, we also have a Fab Lab. So the Fab Lab is more about fabrication. So you might look down the line of maybe some packaging innovation that you want to do there, or maybe you just want to work in there and do some blue sky. You don't really know what your packaging is going to be. You're too small to speak to the big companies, but you certainly are not too small to come and speak to Meath Enterprise.
Our Fab Lab here is a playground to create and innovate. So this is a space where you can come and you can prototype quickly, effectively and cheaply. That's what it breaks down to. We have our laser here that can be used for a wide variety of materials, from plastics to wood to cardboard. You can have a production run of packaging done within 15 minutes of the idea. You can fail often, fail hard and get to the solution much quicker. That's how our space, that's what it's designed to do.
We also have other facilities. So for example, in Kells we have the innovation zone. So you might want to do a little bit of brainstorming. That space allows for that. Likewise, we have our hubs in Dunshaughlin and Slane that will also enable that type of creativity to happen. So like Meath Enterprise, the Food Lab, there's so much more than just the Food Lab here, guys.
Durability, great ambition, resilience are all really important traits of any great entrepreneur. But the same applies with building an ecosystem. We need to have people around us with those traits, but also that are open to change, that are open to sharing, that are open to being agile and flexible. It's almost like a hybrid approach to regional development is what we're trying to create, where we're taking the learnings of everything else that we've learned and done before and trying to blend it all together and make something more efficient and something that works for everybody. If you want to be part of a community that can help you be successful and help you thrive and deliver your dreams based on your values, you need to contact Meath Enterprise. And you can do so by emailing info@meathenterprise.ie, where myself or one of my team will be more than happy to set up a consultation and talk to you to see how we can support you and help you be better.